Do you want to make money while you work or while you carry on your daily activities, go to shopping, or just for fun? There are so many apps out there online that claim to pay you for doing physical exercises, be it walking, jogging, running, and all that. Most importantly, we should actually exercise and keep fit, if not for anything, for our health and also for our planet, because when we partake in walking, running, and jogging, it helps us to reduce the amount of gases that will flare out there into the environment and all that. That's even the major reason why I'm bringing this video to you, not because the app really pays that much. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Easy, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and everything that surrounds making money online, be it new ideas, new information, and all that. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you're also very much welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and smash the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. So today we are talking about apps and softwares that claim to pay you as much as possible for partaking in physical exercises, be it jogging, be it running, be it walking and all that, even going to shopping and all that. And also in this video, aside the apps that pay you for taking these basic physical exercises, I also included apps that pay you to walk your dogs and all that. Okay, so, but the major reason why I'm bringing this to you is that generally we need to stay fit, we need to stay healthy and all that. And with the help of, exercising and walking around and all that, we get fit, stay away from health problems and, and make our planet a better place by reducing the amount of, gas will flare into the environment. But most importantly, I want to let you know that these apps are not going to make you rich. Never. Because what they pay or the reward they give you for taking up any of these physical activities are quite little. So if you're looking for a way to make money online or to amass wealth working from home or making money online, then there are so many other videos on my channel where I talked about several ways you can actually make money online, make sustainable living online. But you see these apps that pay you for working, they're not going to make you rich. Okay, so having said that, let's jump right into the various apps that you can download on your from your Google Play Store or from your Apple Store that you can use to, make small money or get small rewards or small coins for exercising. Okay, the first one is Sweatcoin. Actually, Sweatcoin has it uses your phone GPS and accelerometer to track your movement and all that. And for every confirmed step you take, they give you some coin or some units of coins which they claim you can exchange for dollars. Okay, they said about 20,000 sweat coins can be exchanged for $1,000. Okay, and for every 1,000 steps you take on this app, you get 0.9 sweat coins. So that's very, very little. So for every 1,000 steps you take, you get 0.9 sweat coin. So with that, you know what it's going to take you to get as much as 20,000 sweat coin. But this, don't see it as a way to make money, but see it as a way to encourage yourself to be busy and to stay healthy and fit. Okay, the next app is Runtopia. Users of Runtopia can begin to make money from the very single step that they can progress to gain as many incentives as possible. And be it activities you do indoors or outdoors, this app actually track them. It mustn't be you run outdoor. Be it inside your house or outside your house. Once the app is on and it notices that you're making movements, you're moving from one place to another, it keeps track of that and reward you with some coins which you can use to purchase, or you can turn them to gift card to make your online purchases and all that. WinWalk is the next app. With WinWalk, users may walk, exercise, and win gift cards in exchange for rewards. These gift cards are from well-known businesses, and some of them can be used for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and you can use it to buy or to purchase whatever thing you want on some platforms online where they are allowed. The next one is Lifecoin. Lifecoin app might be a terrific starting point if you wish to acquire gift card, price offers, and discounts. Users of Lifecoin can trade their coins for items like Apple iPhone, drones, Amazon gift card, PayPal gift card, and more. So with Lifecoin app, all you just have to do is to log in, register, make sure that your app is on while you take up on any of the physical activities, be it running, jogging, walking, maybe just your daily commute. Once the app detects that you are in motion, it starts giving you points, and these points you can use it to purchase things on Amazon and all that. Okay. The next one is Achievement app. With over 3 billion downloads and 390 billion steps tracked, you receive prizes for activities like riding, swimming, walking, and up to 80 points can be earned daily. And with 10,000 points, you can exchange it for $10. Like I mentioned earlier, it's not really all about you making money with this app. It's all about you. These are apps that are out there to motivate you to stay fit, to stay healthy. Because when you look at those little rewards coming in, you feel more motivated to, exercise more and stay fit and stay healthy. So considering any of these apps as a way to make money, hell no. But you can use the rewards to purchase one or two small things online. Okay. Next one is Rover app. This app is specifically for dog walkers. Okay. So even though Rover app isn't a fitness app, it does pay you to walk other people's dog. So it's more like this is actually one of the apps that can actually pay you for walking, because you have something that you are doing while you walk other people's dog. Those people pay for someone to walk their dog, and that's the way you get your money, because there's a way money comes into the system before you as the user of the app could make money. And Rover app can pay you up to $20 to $30 for every hour you walk. So this is actually a good one which you can use to make cool money. So this is not all about you exercising. Now you are offering a service in return for money. Okay. So the next one is Gig Work app. By completing little jobs around your neighborhood while using this app, you can make money. On Gig Work, businesses and shops promote tasks you can finish in your own time, and these tasks can include visiting a nearby shop to verify product pricing, availability on the shelves, taking and uploading photos, and more. And this app pay you about $3 to $100 per task, depending on the kind of task you are asked to do. Okay, so this is more like you offering services, but I included it on this platform so that if you're actually looking for things to do that incorporate walking, so that you don't just aside your health benefits, don't just walk and exercise for free. You could actually use Rover app or Gig Work app to actually give out services in exchange for money. Okay, so that's all for this video. And remember what I said earlier. It's not all about you making money with these apps, because you cannot make much aside with the Rover app and the Gig Work app. For every other app that claims to pay you a certain coin or a certain amount of money for exercising, they're just going to give you either a little token or something that is not even enough to cater for your basic needs. Okay, so but I'm bringing this video to you just to encourage you to have something to motivate you while you exercise and stay fit and stay healthy, which is very, very important, because you staying healthy is actually beneficial financially, because when you don't stay fit, when you don't stay healthy, you end up having health problems, which is going to take money away from your pocket. So doing something that's going to prevent you losing money through paying for health solutions and all that is actually, in reverse, a way you can save money and, in quotes, make money as well. So having been with me in this video up to this moment, I would indulge you to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. So Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.